Hello, I'm Julian from France. In this video, I will continue my journey exploring the Pearl Island of Phu Quoc. We'll enjoy relaxing moments with friends at the beautiful Kem Beach, or gaze at the vast ocean from above. And finally, we'll discover a colorful underwater world. The first time I set foot on Phu Quoc was 6 years ago, and I was captivated by the beauty of this island. That's why I decided to become a resident here. Sometimes I spend the whole day riding my motorbike, exploring beaches. Phu Quoc is home to some of the most pristine and charming beaches, one of which is Kem Beach. With its creamy white sand, crystal clear water, and peaceful surroundings, Kem Beach is an ideal destination for travelers seeking relaxation and immersion in nature. You can chat with them while listening to the waves and rustling palm trees, feeling the salty sea breeze and golden sunshine. Phu Quoc is Vietnam's largest island with 22 large and small islets. Among them is Han Tom, considered a shining gem in the An archipelago. This place is famous for its beautiful beaches and vibrant coral reefs, making it a must-visit for nature and adventure lovers. To get to Han Tom, I think the cable car is a great option. With the world's longest sea-crossing cable car, you'll have a spectacular view from above. That raft over there will be my spot to start an exciting journey exploring the ocean world. This place combines nature with the cultivation of over 150 rare coral species and marine life. I'm sure there are many exciting things waiting for me ahead. Now, let's meet the guide here.
How are you today?
Very good, very exciting.
Okay, so I'm gonna show some safety instruction for you. This one is still working with the wing helmet. When take this on the shoulder, so you just breathe normally like here. And sometimes my driver will ask you, are you okay? Like this to check you. If you're okay, you do like this. If you're not okay, you do like this. Anytime you wanna go up, you do like this.
Right.
My professional driver take care of you all the time you're down there.
Under the ocean of Phu Quoc lies a magical, colorful world. Coral reefs stretch vibrantly, small sea creatures swim freely, and adorable schools of fish surround you. It feels like stepping into a living painting where nature and humans become one. It's indescribable to witness such incredible beauty firsthand.
Amazing experience. Amazing.
Phu Quoc, with its stunning natural beauty and tranquil atmosphere, is truly an ideal destination for those seeking a break from the hustle and bustle of life. Today, I had an amazing experience in the colorful underwater world. I realized that Phu Quoc is not just a place for relaxation, but also a wonderful place to connect and immerse yourself in nature. It will become an unforgettable memory for everyone who visits here. I hope you'll visit Phu Quoc someday to experience all these amazing things. Thank you for following my journey and see you in the next videos.